You ever scroll YouTube, see a thumbnail, and your finger clicks before your brain even agrees? That's the power of a good thumbnail. And here's the truth nobody wants to admit. The creators getting the most views, the ones absolutely dominating YouTube, aren't winning because their videos are better. They're winning because their thumbnails grab your attention like a magnet. Just look at these. These aren't just pictures, they're click traps. The kind of thumbnails that make your brain tap before you even think. And here's the crazy part. What you're looking at right now wasn't made in Photoshop, wasn't made in Canva, and wasn't even made by a designer. But I'll show you exactly how they were made in just a moment. Think of Mr. Beast. His thumbnails are so clean, so bold, so perfectly structured, that even if the video was average, you'd still click. Now imagine this. If Mr. Beast used a boring, flat thumbnail, he wouldn't get even a fraction of the views he gets today. That's how important thumbnails are. And the wild thing is, you no longer need hours of editing, layers, masks, or any design skills at all. Creators today are making thumbnails in under 2 minutes that look better than thumbnails people spend hours making. All because of one tool, an AI thumbnail generator that's fast, affordable, insanely easy to use, and honestly, a massive advantage for new YouTubers who don't have big budgets or design experience yet. Every thumbnail you just saw, yeah, those took less than 2 minutes to make. Go to Supabix and click Create Your Thumbnail. Here you'll see 5 features: text to thumbnail, multi-image edit, recreate, face swap, and edits. We'll start with recreate. Here's how I recreated an Iman Gadzhi thumbnail I liked. I copied the link of the thumbnail, pasted it into the tool, clicked Fetch Thumbnail, then use this image. From here, you can choose whether you want the creativity level to be high or low. Low creativity lightly enhances the original design. High creativity makes strong, eye-catching changes without completely losing the original look and feel. Then pick the style: default, realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with default style. Click generate, and you get your recreated Iman Gadzhi thumbnail instantly. Next, let's move to face swap. I want to replace Elon Musk with Iman Gadzhi. All I have to do is upload the thumbnail, select Iman Gadzhi's face, click save and continue, then upload Elon Musk's face. Click generate, and the tool gives you a clean, realistic swap with Elon Musk's face. Now let's move to text to thumbnail. You can either write a detailed prompt yourself or get a prompt from an AI tool like ChatGPT. Give Supabix that prompt, pick the aspect ratio, a 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or a 4:5 portrait classic layout. Since we're making a YouTube thumbnail, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape option. Then select your style: realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with the realistic style. Click generate and watch it bring your idea to life. Here's the prompt that generated this thumbnail. Next, let's go to edits. I want to add cracks to the road. All I do is upload the thumbnail, describe the changes I want, and Supabix edits the image perfectly. Finally, let's go to the multi-image edit feature. Upload your target image, then upload the reference or second image, describe how you want them merged, and Supabix combines them seamlessly and accurately. This is the feature people see and go, wait, how did you make that? And yes, creators are using this right now to blow up. So if you're struggling with thumbnails, if you're wasting hours, if you're trying to make something that actually stands out, this is your shortcut. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need Photoshop. You just need smarter tools. And remember, you are only one thumbnail away from blowing up.